Welcome, here I've got LG K62 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to activate voice control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button, we can open the advanced camera options. And here we have the useful features category with the cheese shutter option at the second position, so this is our voice control here with short information from the device that this allows us to take a photo by saying some keywords like cheese, smile, whiskey, kimchi or LG. By using the button from the right we can turn it on and off as we need. For now let me keep it, turn it on to show you how it works. Let's move back to the camera, and now I can take a picture without touching the screen by saying, for example, kimchi. And as you can see, the photo was taken, so this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.